Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Radium Hot Springs, a charming mountain town nestled in the Kootenay region of British Columbia. Surrounded by the towering peaks of the Canadian Rockies and the Purcell Mountains, this place is known for its natural beauty and relaxing atmosphere. The town gets its name from the nearby hot springs, which were discovered in the early 1900s and found to contain small traces of radium, a mineral once believed to have healing properties. Over the years, these warm mineral pools have become a favorite spot for travelers looking to unwind. Today, Radium Hot Springs is a gateway to endless outdoor adventures like hiking, biking, and wildlife viewing. Whether you're here for a quick visit or a long, relaxing stay, Radium Hot Springs will leave you feeling recharged and inspired by nature's beauty. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Radium Hot Springs, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!